Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send money on Cashapp. Let's get straight into the video. For sending money, what you want to do is to open the Cash app on your mobile device and then just tap the dollar icon at the top of the screen, and now you just want to enter the recipient's Cash app username or phone number and your email address, and now just enter the amounts that you want to send them. And you can just add a note to describe the payment, but that's optional of course. And now you just want to review the payment details and confirm to complete the transaction. For payment options, there are a couple of options that you can choose from. There's the standard deposit, where you can send money to the recipient's Cash App balance. There's also instant deposit, where you can send money instantly to the recipient's debit card. Of course, fees may apply to this. And then there's direct deposit, where you can send money directly to the recipient's bank account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to send money on Cash App. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.